everybody, this is Sarah from the Origami Gamers, and today I'll be sharing with you how you can create this beautiful look for your doll. I'm starting off by sketching the basic sewing pattern for a denim on a piece of plain white paper. And cut it out. So here I'm taking my old denim jeans. I'm going to place my stencil on the denim in such a way that I get a double-sided piece. I'm going to trace it, and I'm going to cut out two identical pieces like these. I'm going to fold them in half, and I'm going to line them like this and sew along this line. A single stitch on both the sides is enough. Next, I'm going to hem the waistband. Now I'm going to take this little unstitched piece of denim and I'm going to line the back and front like this. Now I'm stitching the side seams. Again, one stitch is enough. According to me, it's better to stitch both the seams in one go, like I'm doing over here. So here our little denim is ready. I'm flipping it inside out. Now to make a little bow belt for your denim, take a small piece of the same denim fabric and fold it in half and glue it in place. Trim off any irregular ends. Now I'm going to take my denim and apply some fabric glue on the waistband. And I'm going to glue our little belt on both the sides like this. On the front side, I'm going to pinch the waistband and I'm going to apply the belt like this so that I can get cute little ruffles on the front side. Here I have another strip of the same denim cloth for the little bow that we are going to attach on the front side of the belt. Now I'm going to glue this little bow on the front side of the belt like this. So here we have our denim ready with a cute little bow. For the mini top, I'm taking another piece of fabric. It is already elastic. I'm going to cut out a small piece of it. Now here I'm applying some glue again on one side, and I'm going to attach it to the other. And just flip it inside out like this. Now I'm taking Magic Allura and placing the jeans and the top. For an accessory, I'm making a little bow headband. For that, I'll cut another strip of the denim fabric and I'm going to glue it in half. I'm going to wrap this headband around my doll, and I'm going to apply a little cloth bow. So here's the final look. Our doll looks gorgeous and she's really happy with her outfit. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Origami Gamers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!